In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an experiment so you can test out these different A/B tests shown below. They all follow the same process to create an experiment. Once you've created the experiment, you can then go in and watch the video on how to do these A/B tests. So to create an experiment, go to Google Ads, go to the campaign section, click experiments. From here, you're going to click this blue plus button. You're going to click custom experiment, and we're going to do search. If you are running a display campaign, then obviously you want to select display, but most of the campaigns we work with are search. So click continue. Experiment name, we're just going to name it experiment 1. And then describe the type of experiment you're testing. I typically like to describe it. You can just copy and paste whatever description we have right here and paste that into the description based on the experiment you're trying. We're going to select the base campaign. So before you go in and try to create this experiment, you need to go and figure out which campaign you're trying to do these tests on. That way you've already collected the data, and then you can come in here and be like, okay, this is the campaign I want to test. Select it. From here, we can change so basically the experiment name right here is what shows down here as well. So just make sure it makes sense based on the thing you're testing. You're going to click save and continue. And from here, you can actually go in and make your edits. So you'll just make the changes exactly as the videos show you right here. And then once you do that, we're going to, we'll make a small little change just to give you an example. So we'll change the bidding. We'll just set a CPA at $2. Oh, click save. And from here, exit out of that. Click the schedule button right here. And then we are going to select the metrics that will determine if the experiment is a success. So the metrics we like to select are conversions, and then we want to see an increase in conversions, and then the metric we want to see decrease is cost per conversion. We would like the cost per conversion always to go down. We typically like to leave it 50-50. That way the test is relatively even, and we can compare the results directly without having to do any scalar or multiplier. The duration is going to be, we do 30 days, and you can always end it early, but we like to go 30 days, so that way it can run long if needed. Enable sync, you want to enable sync, that way changes made to the base account will automatically apply to the experiment account. That way the only thing that is different between the two over those 30 days is the changes that you've just previously made. You're going to click create experiment. And now that it's been created, we can view its performance right down here. So you can see currently it's being created. And if we need to end it, we just click on it. And it's actually still being created. So we're actually going to go back to all campaigns, go to experiments. From here, you can see that these have been completed. This one is scheduled. Then you'll be able to come in and click cancel experiment, click remove, and obviously once you remove it, it can no longer be restarted. And that is how you create an experiment. You follow this exact same process for every one of the A/B tests we make. So this is a very important video to understand how to do, so that way in the future you can do as many A/B experiments as you would like. Hope this video helps. If you need help creating your own experiments, feel free to reach out to Creekside Marketing. But we'll see you in the next video.